Hi fooders, on today's episode of our Ramadan series we'll be making peppered meat or stick meat. Woke up craving for this and I just had to make some. So get your beef. If yours is cut then fine, if it's not, cut it into the size you want. After cutting, you're going to wash that with some vinegar and salt and then add it to a pot. Add enough water that will cook that beef, some onions, ginger and garlic paste, white Maggi, seasoning and salt, and then of course my spices. I will just be using curry and thyme, and basically that's it. So add in your curry and thyme, cover your pot and allow the beef to cook until it is done completely. Just like this. Now you're going to fry that beef in your oil until it is beautiful golden red brown. At this junction, I'm going to reduce the oil, add some onions, pepper mix and my ginger and garlic paste. Fry that a bit and add in that beef stock. Add more curry and thyme, adjust my seasoning, and yep, give everything a good stir, lower the heat and allow it to simmer for a bit, and your peppered meat is ready. You're going to garnish with some spring onions, and yep, that's it. I hope you like this one. Bye.